Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair Windows 11 from the console. Chapter 1. Repair Windows 11 with SFC. To start, right-click on the Start menu, then click on Terminal Administrator. Here, to scan the file system, run the command sfc/scannow. You can see the analysis being performed. Wait for the process to be completed. Now, to just verify the status of the file system, run the sfc/verifyonly command. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Once this process is finished, you will see the result of the analysis. Chapter 2. Repair Windows 11 with DISM. To start, right-click on the Start menu, then click on Terminal Administrator. Now, to check the status of the image, execute the command you see on the screen. Then, to validate the health of the Windows image, run the command you see in the console. You can wait for the analysis to finish. Finally, restore the image to its normal values with the on-screen command. Wait for the analysis to finish. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.